Satellite companies are not generally seen here at the Mobile World Congress, despite the important role the industry plays in delivering communications across the world. But one major player in Barcelona this week is Newtec of Belgium, and I'm talking now to Semir Hassanaly, the company's market director for cellular backhaul and trunking. Semir, let's start by you reminding us the role that satellite actually plays in telecommunications.
Satellite has played a big role in telecommunications. Think of real-time events, sports events for broadcast or for live events, but also in mobile backhaul. Mobile backhaul has been very important for satellite for the last more than 15 years, essentially for 2G voice services initially in emerging markets, but increasingly for 3G and 4G, and reaching out to more industrial countries like Europe, North America, or even Japan.
And what sort of opportunities do Newtec now see going forward, particularly into the 5G era?
Overall in mobile, we see a lot of opportunities in mobile backhaul, increasingly in the 4G, but there's still a lot of 2G and 3G. In terms of connectivity, we see increasing needs in in-flight connectivity, maritime connectivity, in our traditional market for broadcast, but also in government and defense and in enterprise markets. A lot of opportunities in all of those areas.
And what sort of initiatives are you taking at the moment to get involved?
For mobile backhaul, we have a whole range of solutions for mobile backhaul, and we've been very successful. In the last 3 years, we have more than 20 commercial deployments for mobile backhaul, which is quite an achievement in my humble opinion. We are also progressing in the 5G space, so for the first time, the 3GPP mobile standard have recognized satellite as an alternative transport solution to terrestrial, and so they appear in the mobile standards today. Secondly, we've also progressed in the commercial area for 5Gs as Newtec. We have a joint statement with the European Space Agency, where we will be starting trials in 2019, with other industrial companies as well. We have also progressed on the technical area, picking up one of the two key areas for 5G, which is the virtualization of the infrastructure, but also providing increased throughput at the remotes. We're talking about more than several gigabits at the remotes. This is where we have progress on the 5G area.
So you would help service providers in areas where they're struggling to get conventional bandwidth, would you really?
Absolutely. We should not see anymore satellite as a silo, but as complementary to terrestrial. So we have, for example, progressed also in a more academic area, building up a test bed where we test case the interworking between satellite and terrestrial. So in the future, we will see for 5G more interworking between satellite and terrestrial. And you think about applications, for example, we have specific requirements in terms of availability, latency, geographic areas, and an orchestration solution will decide, will this connectivity be provided over satellite and terrestrial? So it's no longer two silos between satellite and terrestrial.
Very interesting. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you, Brian.